Say man, y'all know what the going on, man. It's me, Eyeliner D, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing an eyeliner tutorial, but this is not your ordinary eyeliner tutorial, honey. This is a tutorial on how to achieve this dramatic cat eye. Yeah, I know I look crazy. I got one eye done, but it's okay. We about to do the other eye, cause that's what I can't talk. But that's what the tutorial is about. This eye. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with the product that I use. I usually use this liquid eyeliner by NYX. It's the I usually get the vinyl or matte NYX liquid eyeliner, but I think they discontinued it because I can't find this anywhere. So it's just a little bit. I don't have much left in here, so what I've been using is the NYX super skinny eye marker. It's cool, but I really prefer the other eyeliner, to be honest with you. But it's cool. It's getting the job done until I can find another good eyeliner. So this just gonna have to do what it do, because that's what we do. Make it happen. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with what I like to do. So I start off in the middle of my eye. I don't like to start off at the beginning of it, the beginning of my eye, but I'm gonna start off in the middle, and I just like this. And you want to kind of go upward, and I do have small eyes, so I have a hack to help you achieve a perfect cat eye. If you don't have a steady hand, it's okay. You got small eyes, it's okay. I have a hack to help you getting the perfect cat eye. So, but I kind of just draw my line kind of a little upward, and then I stop here, and then I start here, like kind of where my eyebrow, the point of my eyebrow is, and I make a line, and I connect it to that other line that I made. See? So now I'm going to go to the point on the end of my eye, and I'm going to draw it and do that. So now you have the shape of your cat eye. So now I'm just going to fill it in. Okay, so the object of a cat eye is to make your eyes look a little bit more slanted, kind of, you know, kind of give off that effect. Why it's called a cat eye. So this eyeliner, it's a little too low for me. It's not really as slanted. Well, so I'm gonna go and just fill in so I can achieve that shape that I want. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so because I have small eyes, I have this crease right here. So when you're doing your eyeliner, this is for my girls that have small eyes. When you're doing your eyeliner, you want to make sure that all these lines are connecting. So you want to make sure your eye is like, you don't want to be looking up doing your eyeliner, because if you're looking up, if I'm just straight ahead just doing my eyeliner like that, the line, when I close my eye, yeah, I'm sorry, I can't talk, but yes, when I looking at you straight ahead, the eye will look like it connected, like the lines and stuff look like it connected. But when you look down, it's not going to be connected. It's going to be a broken line, and it's going to look uneven. So you want to make sure that you kind of are looking, now look to the side like, be careful, but you kind of want to make sure that you're kind of looking at an angle, and this part where your crease is kind of stretched out so that you can ensure that every line connects. Crooked lines, we don't do that. So there's the cat eye, well, the wing. That was the word I was looking for, wing. I could not think of the word. I kept saying like eye. Hopefully y'all caught my drift, but that was the word. Wing, wing, wing. Okay. I don't like my eyeliner too thick. Because when I put my lashes on, it's gonna make it look even thicker, and I just don't like that look. I don't like it on me. Do what you do, whatever floats your boat, cool. But for me personally, I don't like a thick line. I don't. So I kind of messed up at the top, but I'm gonna show you it's not the end of the world if you mess up your eyeliner. It's cool. I'm gonna show you in a second what I like to do to achieve that perfect eyeliner. So I start here. And you're just connecting that line here. Okay. Our cat eye it's almost done, but it's looking a little crazy. So see, this line is kind of uneven right there. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to take my edge brush, my angle brush, whatever you want to call this. I'm going to take this. You can use any concealer, foundation, whatever you want to do this little hack. So where I made my mistake at, I'm going to kind of lightly tap. And boom. We back in business. Boom. Clean. So now I'm going to do the same thing for the inner corner of my eye. I'm going in with my Duo eyelash glue. This stuff, when I say your lashes will be on. Okay, it just takes a little minute for it to dry. That's all. Patience is a virtue. Oh shit. Oh, I mean shoot. I curse a lot. Let me just stop. And voila. See, and now we have a perfect cat eye. Of course, I'm gonna blend this in. I like I said, when you cleaning up and stuff, you want to make sure you blend in that extra concealer, foundation, or whatever, because blending matters. Blending matters. If you don't blend your makeup, honey, you going outside. You going outside. Just saying. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup, and I'm going to come back with the finished look so you can see how it all pulls together, honey. So I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, so we've reached the end of this video. May you please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video as well. And also, can you please follow me on Instagram at EyelinerDeanna, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.